My product is called Breathe, and it is a smarter, safer chest binder for transgender people. Chest binding is done by transgender men and non-binary people to make themselves look more masculine, and that involves wearing a tight garment called a chest binder that they wear over their chest, and it compresses their chest to make them seem more masculine. And that can have good mental benefits because they can look in the mirror and it can curb their gender dysphoria because they look in the mirror and they see what they want to see. On the other hand, it can have lots of physical negative health outcomes because by compressing their chest, that can cause back pain, chest pain, even rib fractures. So about 97% of people who use chest binding experience some kind of negative health outcome.
I love this design for many reasons, mainly because it feels like a safer way to bind because you have that option of loosening it if it gets uncomfortable or if it gets painful.
So my binder makes it easier for people to take breaks while wearing the chest binder. It has a smart material woven into the fabric, and when that's electrified, the garment loosens. It can be worn underneath someone's clothing and then remotely activated using a controller. When they press that button, it electrifies and it decompresses, making it easier for them to breathe. They can take a break without needing to take any clothes off.
I think it could definitely help because it reduces discomfort, and it means that people can use their binder for more situations, so they don't need to take it off to do sports, for example. And it means that people are more comfortable to bind whenever.
A lot of transgender people will go for treatment through the NHS, ultimately ending in getting top surgery, which is the removal of your breasts so that you have a permanently flat chest. But a lot of people feel pressured into getting top surgery because chest binding is just so painful that they need to get top surgery as soon as possible. And so Breathe could be an alternate option for these transgender people so that they could bind experiencing less pain, so that they have more time to consider that decision.